Today, I just want you to give a room tour of my cruise accommodation in Paris. So, as you can see here, the room is around 18 meters square and it includes one small kitchen. It's actually known as studio. So, in studio, you mean to say like you have attached bathroom and you have kitchen inside. So, you have this sink and the induction heaters for cooking, and you got some cupboards to put your stuff, and also you got a very small refrigerator, but it's quite okay. Some more cupboards to put more stuff, and also you got one study table. It's like very normal in every cruise in Paris or elsewhere in France. So here also the space is very like it's quite enough to accommodate around two beds, but this is the room is meant to be only for a single person. There is also space on the top so you can put your luggages, and here is the view outside. The view is not that great because you are in a typical city of Paris, so there are only buildings around. So this is it, and you also have a big washroom. So this is not normally this is not in every cruise that you get, so it depends on the type of residence that you are in. So for now this is in residence Chevalier, it's in Paris 13. It has a very big bathroom, it has a lot of space. Yeah, that's it. So now I will show you how to apply for this type of room. So to apply for this residence, you need to go on a website known as Mess Services. So something like that. Because I am already registered, so you need to do the registration first, and after that you need to sign in. And when you are signed in, you need to do here this in cruise finding accommodation, and for that you need to apply for the year that you are applying. So they have some specific timeline in which you can apply, so you cannot apply throughout the year. And for that, first of all, you need to search for the residence that you are applying, and it depends like this is in whole of the France, so you can choose where is the city. For example, right now I am in I just want to say it's this, so we don't have any spaces here, and you can add some filters for the price maybe and start searching. Don't have anyone here right now. So in order to apply, you need to go here and you need to start searching. I guess like for now you cannot see anything because maybe it's not the right time to apply. So here they have given the procedure to obtain your cruise accommodation, so you need to follow these steps. And also the accommodation is not like guaranteed. You it's very competitive, so mostly they give it to scholarship students.